Here's a view, viewers, of the cockpit area of Pardon Me. She's estimated to perform in the low 50-mile-an-hour range. Officially at 60 miles per hour, but I think the staff doesn't want to try and push the envelope that hard.
Project comes along, it might have 20 phases, and then we have maybe 6 or 8 key classes.
That's a bit of a view of the Packard engine. And despite the fact that she's called a runabout, there is a cabin area under the front bow here. Quite the boat. We're looking here at a lovely Chris Craft Continental, viewers. By the way, we do have a Chris Craft Continental on the Port Carling Boats website. Hope you'll check it out. That boat is currently located in the United States. And just in front of us here, we have Fine Wine, a 1931 22.5-foot Dodge Dart. I believe it's Dodge. I think they made the Dart. Powered by a Chrysler Marine 250 horsepower engine. Also a lovely boat. Just panning down the pier here. There's a beautiful classic top. Canvas top. Very classical lines. And once again in front of us here is a Johnny Barnes, built by Earl Barnes. Custom design, 1931, 26-foot triple cockpit. Beautiful restoration on this boat. Gleaming varnish. I sound like a broken record here, viewers. We're inside one of the main buildings of the Antique Boat Museum in Clayton. But really, if you have a chance to visit, it's well worth it. Anybody who loves wood, working with wood, even if it's not boats, would appreciate the enormous amount of time, effort, labor, and love that goes into building these vessels, and how important it is to maintain them and let the world know about this period of our history. How fortunate we are that this facility was built and funded. I'm sure with largely private donations. Great place. The boat we're looking at here, viewers, is one of the most unique concept boats ever produced. By Evinrude. I think they were hoping to promote the use of their Evinrude Lark. You can see it's a concept boat, and it looks like it's got Cadillac tail fins, built in the mid-50s, 60s I believe, and with an aeronautical steering wheel. And special moon tire covers. This boat apparently, and they only sold 2 of them I believe, for about $11,000 each. And according to the instructions, or the explanation sheet here, that's about the equivalent of $100,000 in today's currency. This is a reproduction, not an original.
I was looking at that, I was like...
Certainly very space agey.
Batman had a whole... Yeah.
It's really a piece of artwork.
That's cool.
Quite a concept. We're looking here at an electric skiff putt. This is a recent build through the Antique Boat Museum. It's modeled after the 1911 Fry skiff putt, Addy, in the museum's collection. It's a natural evolution from the rowing skiff that came with the availability of small inboard engines. And this one is powered with an electric motor. It's built through 2013 to 14. At least the Elco electric motor was. Beautiful. Got the side steer configuration. It's really like a St. Lawrence skiff in many ways. External rudder. Great piece of woodworking.
It's a fundraiser, remember that. These are some terrific boats, some great buys today. Bought the Monza. You're going to leave today thinking you missed out on a great deal. By the way, for those of you who are interested, a 1-week rental of a boat in the Thousand Islands is $1,500. All right, we're off to a Lyman here, an 18-foot 1952 Lyman Islander, one of the most popular classic utility boats of all time, made in Sandusky, Ohio. 52 Lyman's great user boat, perfect entry-level classic boat, over $2,000 invested in the bottom work during the winter of 2012 and 13. It has a very reasonable reserve. Kip, take it away. Trailer is not included, but again, we'll work with you on that. Go ahead.
All right, insert bidding along there. We're going to go $4,000 bidding game. We're going to go $4 grand. We're going to go $4,000 bidding game. We're going to go $4 grand, 35, $3 grand where? We're going to go $3,000 bidding game. We're going to go $3,000 bidding game. We're going to go $1,000, $1,250, $1,000 bid there. We're going to go 12 and a half where? We're going to go $1,250, 50 now. I got $1,000 on my left, $1,250 here. We're going to go $1,500 now. In $1,500 bid, we're going to go 15. We're going to go $1,500 bidding game. We're going to go 15. We're looking for $1,500. I have $1,250 bid. $1,500 bid. We're going to go 15 and we're going to go 1,500. I have $1,250 bid. 1,500 where? 15 is here. 1,750, sir. 17 and a half here. 1,750, 50. I have 15 in the white hat. 1,750 here, sir. Now $2,000. Your turn again. I'm going to go $2,000 bid again. I'm going to go 2, just like this. $2,000. I'm going to go $1,850. We'll do it the hard way. 1850, 1950, 1950. Now 2,000. Look at the time you would have saved me. 2,000, 21. $2,100 bid again, I'm going to go 2,100. I have 2,000 in, 21, 2,200 here, I'm going to go 22, your turn again, I'm going to go 22. I'll give you a chance to rest.
Boats are going cheaply this afternoon here, viewers.
23, I'm going to go 3, I'm going to go 3, I'm going to go 24, sir. In 24, I'm going to go 4, time's up. 24 here. $2,400 bid again, I'm going to go 24, 2,400.
Putting on this 18-foot Lyman.
I'm going to go 25 beside you, I'm going to go 25, I'm going to go 2,600. In 26, I'm going to go 26, I'm going to go 2,600. I have 25, 26, now 7 here. 27, I'm going to go 28. We should have started here. I'm going to go 2,800 where?
It's going to sell today. You see these Lymans in the show on the river. Great price. Great bargain here today. We're at $3,300. Can all of you hear me up in the cheap seats? If you can, give me a wave. There we go. We got you. Don't be afraid to bid.
I'm going to go 5, I'm going to go 35. I've got 34 in the white shirt. Looking for $3,500 bid. I'm going to go 35. 34 bid there. I'm going to go 3,500. Anybody else want in the bidding now? I'm going to go 3,500.
Bidding's up to 3,500.
35, just under the wire. 3,600 here. $3,600 now. I'm going to go 36. I won't listen to him. I'm going to go 3,600. 229's the buyer.
Well done.
229.
The Lyman just sold for $3,500 after having $2,000 worth of bottom work.
People appreciate buying.
Prices are low today. We're letting our clients know here, viewers, that Port Carling Boats does the best we can to market the wooden boats for sale.
No reserve again. The ribs are in terrific shape. No damage done. It's a little bit of a time.
We do attend a number of shows in Canada and the United States. We do our best to promote our clients' boats for sale. We're looking here, viewers, at obviously one of the largest boats in the show, and we're going to end our tour today with these cabin cruisers. This is a 1929 65-foot commuter built by Consolidated Purdy Design and powered by a 6-cylinder 220 horsepower Cummins. And her home is Lake Champlain. What a beautiful boat. Varnish is wonderful on this Dolphin. Just a gleaming mass of beautiful woodwork. Complete with jump seat at the front. This is certainly one of the most eye-catching boats at the show.